Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know the Bronco videos have been slim lately. We actually bought a place and then we got married. We're back working on it, guys. I'm super excited to get dirty again and wrench on this thing because it's been a while for me even. There's a lot of stuff we need to do. The Bronco doesn't have reverse. I don't know why yet. We don't know why it's leaking. Like I say, I haven't been able to look into this thing at all. So my buddy Brom came over and he said my front bar here is supposed to be the other way. When I drive it, the steering's super sloppy. He said that has a big part in it. So I'm gonna flip that bar there the other way so it's in line with my steering bar. There's so much play in my steering. Looking at this, first of all, it's upside down. Look how loose this is. I haven't even touched this, so this I haven't touched. It was put on the wrong way and it wasn't tightened from the old owner, which is crazy. All right guys, we got the bar out. You can see these bushings are absolutely destroyed. So I'm gonna have to go get some new ones. We got our bushings here for the track bar off Amazon. These are awesome. They're Moog, I went with Moog. They fit up good, just letting this dry a bit. Guys, track bar's back in and it's on the proper way this time. It's actually bolted up too. That was so loose before. It's in and I believe that'll fix a lot of our play. New bushings too. The other ones were trash. I don't look like a meathead with an upside down track bar anymore. We're gonna move our attention to the exhaust, guys. I have a bunch of scraps that I want to use. I've kept scraps for so long and I'm looking to side dump this. Now, I got this muffler from Canadian Tire. I actually really like it. I like the sound, this thing, it sounds really good with just this muffler. So what I'm gonna do is cut this back, move the muffler back. Bought a bunch of different exhaust pieces and we're making it work. So if you look up here, I'm about to weld those two right there. Now this piece I don't even need. So once I weld that, I'm just gonna wiggle that out that end. And then this will be a sealed weld. And then after that, we're gonna go to 3-inch. And then the 3-inch will run right out the side here. I'm just using what I have, right? So I got adapters and stuff, but the 3-inch is all leftover stuff. So I'm trying to make this work with what I got. So I tacked it underneath the truck. We got an adapter. I'm gonna fill that all because this needs to be sealed. This one, I'm gonna seal it as well. I got it all angled down a little bit. Okay, so I got these welded up, good to touch. While that was cooling down, I cleaned up all my pieces that I'm gonna be using. This is the tip, elbows to get below the frame. So let's mock all this up. All right, so we ran it, the muffler down here, and now I got this guy mocked up where I want it. I just got a zap there to hold it. But that's freaking wicked, guys. It looks really good too. All right, let's pop it off, guys. This guy's loose right now. Beauty. All right, let's weld it up. I'm not like a good welder. I mean, it's been good. I've welded a lot of things, but I'm still learning, so. Solid bead across the whole thing. Looking pretty good. Heavy duty. Nothing should really change except the placement of this pipe here. So it's low and then you scoot it and it's up. That's beauty, guys. Look, it doesn't even have a hanger at all and it's super strong. I'm gonna put one on hanger up here. When we got the clearance, even if it wobbles, we're not hitting anything. The muffler's already tight. I'm just gonna take my 14 here, tighten the exhaust clamp, see if we can get it sturdy. All right, let's fire up. The clamps are tight, still no hanger though. So I'm sitting inside the Bronco. It's so much quieter when the exhaust isn't exiting right below you. It's pretty nice because it was so loud in here before. We got the exhaust hanger off Amazon right here. It's a pretty sick setup. I'm just gonna bolt it up or weld it to the underbody of the Bronco. All right, so here's what we got. I got the clamp that was already on there. I moved it up just to the one here, cranked her. I'm gonna use 2 self-tappers through here to hold it up to where I want it. Then I'm gonna do 2 more here and here. I'm gonna drill through. I don't feel like welding to my body. This thing's solid. Look at that. Literally no play. It's shaking the whole truck. That's beauty. I love this hanger. This is so easy to use. I was looking around at a bunch and it's just this one you bolt up or weld and it's easy. This cuts your vibrations with a rubber in there. And then I can either take it off here or just unscrew it from the top. So really happy with that. Super easy. Let's take a look out here one last time. We got it super close to the quarter panel, but like I say, look at that. It won't even hit. So beauty, beauty. Looks really good. Maybe we'll taper this at some point, but for now, I'm happy with the results. And this, guys, this is huge. Off Amazon, 30 bucks, you get 5 of each letter or number. I needed them for the Ford, but these ones you have to drill in. I didn't want to drill into my new tailgate and my new hood. So these are double-sided tape. Stick them on. They look good. Like, look how good these look. Are they the best? Probably not. But there's 5 of them for each one. I thought this was a really good idea. I was just so worried about drilling and not lining up properly, but with double-sided tape, you really got nothing to worry about. So that's what I like about that too, is it's not permanent. One day I don't like it, rip it off, it's fine. Here they are. Obviously these are a lot bigger. Looking at it now, stretched, but we'll give it a shot, put it on, see how it looks. It might look a little bit small, but it gets the same point across. Again, we'll see how these go. Double-sided tape's not even really an option. I mean, I think that looks pretty good. It's a little small, yes. It does give it the clean look. Now, I could get different ones that are a little bit bigger, just to also double-side tape. But I think for now, like, that's great. I like it, guys. It looks pretty good. They look good. They're shiny. Kind of clean up the front end a bit. So, guys, we got a lot accomplished in this video on the Bronco. Putting these sick letters. I am excited, guys. It's still coming along. Still a long ways from where we want it to be. But as winter approaches here, we're going to be dialing into more fine tuning and making it run better. Because I mean, once the roads get salted, she ain't coming back out because the roads get so much salt here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you got any questions, let me know. If you liked it, please like the video. Please subscribe to stick with the build. Make sure you guys don't miss any vids coming up because we're going to keep working on this bad boy. Thanks guys so much. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.